Hey guys, how are you doing today? In last session, we saw about post HTTP method, which is for creating the resource. In this session, we are going to look at the put HTTP method, which is for modifying the existing resource. So put is used for modifying the existing resource. So when we are making a request from a client, we are going to send an updated resource data. So understand here, when we are making the put requests, so while making a request, in our request body we need to send a data of the resource to the server so that server can process it and then replace the existing resource with the whatever resource which we have sent in the request. Got it? So when we make a put request, in our request body we need to send the data and server will process it and replace the existing whatever the data we send in the with the existing data. This is about put. So put is typically used for full updates. So we are not doing any partial update. We will do full update because we are sending a complete data in the request body, and entire resource representation will be replaced when we are using put HTTP method. So if everything is successful, we'll get a 200 OK status code. Request and response will be in the JSON format. Alright, so let's go to the REQ which is used for mock APIs. So here, from here we are going to select the put. So as you can see here, the what they are saying is this is the request endpoint and this is what we need to send into body. So I'll just open this. So if you send a name and job, and it will get updated in the server. All right, so what we are going to do, we are going to get this URL. I'll just copy it and I'm going to create a new request from here, Postman. Like if you click on plus, it will just create a new untitled request, and I'm going from the drop down, I'm going to select the put. All right, and I'm going to copy that URL here, and we need to go to the body section from here. So just click on the body and you need to give the body in the raw format. All right, so we will give the body in the raw format. So we will update the name. Let's give another our name basically. So yeah, we'll give our data. So once we send this to the server, so it is going to update the data. All right, so we are sending the complete body, name and job, everything we are sending, and we will send in the format of JSON. Okay, so let's just click on send. So as you can see here, it is saying as updated at. So it has updated name and job. All right, so they have given some other name that and we have given our name. So response code we have got it as 200 OK, means it has been updated at the server successfully. Correct? This is how you do a put request. In put request, we will mention complete representation of the resource. We are not making any partial update. Like we are, if we want to update only name and not both name and job, then if we want to make a partial request, we will look about the patch in next session. But here we put makes the entire resource update. Yeah, that is it about put HTTP request, guys. Thanks for joining in.